So Dogecoin has not been showing any significant momentum for some time now. And seeing this, Elon Musk has come up with a very important message for Doge holders. And today, I'm going to show you what exactly he is saying and why it is so important for you to see. But before I come to it, let's talk about the overall crypto market. So we can see here that cryptos are continuing their sideways movement. And although we can see some cryptos trading in the green, they are pulling back again at the time of recording this video. And I think this sluggish movement for cryptos is going to continue for some days since investors are still sitting on the sidelines. We can see here the crypto fear and greed index has again fallen, and it is sitting around the 25 level. And the reason why there is extreme fear sentiment in the market is that multiple factors have been haunting the crypto market. From tensions rising between Russia and Ukraine to increasing inflationary concerns, investors have been worried about these factors. Moreover, I think that investors may have been put off by the recent OpenSea hack. And these scams and crypto crimes are indeed worrying investors since they don't want to lose their investments. And another thing is that criminal whales are now holding a significant number of cryptos. So we can see here that about 3.7% of crypto whales are criminals. And this is happening because a lot of scammers are getting hold of others' assets by scamming them, just like what happened during the recent OpenSea hack. So these are some genuine concerns for investors, and I think this is one of the reasons why they are backing away from cryptos at the moment. And now, as global political issues are rising, crypto scams are rising, and the crypto market is going down, Elon Musk has just shared a very important message for Dogecoin holders. So we are now seeing that Musk recently liked this tweet, and this means that he is backing the message of this user who tweeted this post. This is actually a meme, and it is depicting the current market scenario. And it is showing us that while a lot of bad things are happening and cryptos are going down, Doge holders are not panicking. So what exactly it means is that while things appear to be ugly for Doge and other cryptos, holders should not be worried about the current market scenario. And Elon Musk is telling holders of Dogecoin not to worry about it since things are going to get better pretty soon. Similarly, we know that Musk shared a similar tweet on January 20 when the price of Doge and others was crashing. Musk tweeted a popular crypto meme inspired by Interstellar, Christopher Nolan's epic science fiction film. And we can see here that this tweet from Elon is about frequent volatility in the prices of cryptos. This is due to the fact that Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and other cryptos tend to be notoriously volatile. So we know that this nature of cryptos also leads to frequent sentiment changes, with people turning bearish or bullish after a single significant move in either direction. But the thing to note here is that Musk shared this meme not only to amuse his followers, he was also giving a very important message to Dogecoin holders. The point is that Elon Musk is telling holders to accept this frequent volatility in Dogecoin's price. And this volatile nature of Doge doesn't mean that it is not a useful crypto. And another thing is that we know that Musk believes in Dogecoin's adoption and utility rather than its price. All in all, I think that with this latest message, Elon Musk is telling the Dogecoin community to remain focused on Dogecoin's utility as a proper currency and ignore its price movements. And as far as price is concerned, then it is highly likely that once Dogecoin receives mass adoption, then its price will eventually increase over time. And now, I know that you are thinking that Elon Musk has been tweeting a lot for Doge recently, but its price isn't increasing. Well, we have seen in the past that whenever Musk tweeted for Doge, its price used to surge following it. However, it appears that his effect on Dogecoin has been fading away, and this is happening because I think that Doge's price goes back to being influenced primarily by other market factors. But I think we should still not completely rule out the fact that Elon can still provide some support to Dogecoin's price, and if he announces some big developments for Doge like SpaceX accepting it, then we may see Doge's price moving to the upside. And with that being said, let's come to Dogecoin's price for a minute. So Dogecoin has continued its sideways movement, and we are now seeing that it is not finding any pace to move up from here. It is now trading below its critical moving averages, and this means that the prevailing trend is currently bearish with expanding volatility, and I think that Doge is likely to consolidate in a bearish flag pattern in the coming days. But as I said before, holders should not panic as this bearish trend is not going to remain here forever, and Doge is going to recover from here pretty soon. In any case, I'd like to remind you here that this is no financial advice since I'm not a professional financial advisor. So it is recommended that you do your own research before investing in cryptos. And now, let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So we can see here that the overall trend is looking bearish for Bitcoin as it is trading in the red, and as of now, it appears that Bitcoin can face another price dip from here. This is because the daily RSI value of Bitcoin is going towards the negative territory, and its MACD level is also sitting on the bearish side. So this means that the overall sentiment for Bitcoin is bearish as of now. And it appears that things are going to get much worse from here as equity strategist Barry Bannister has predicted that Bitcoin could plunge towards 10K by 2023. So he is saying that global money supply, the real 10-year yield, and equity risk premium are the three macro factors that could negatively impact Bitcoin's price throughout the year and into 2023. Moreover, he believes that the Fed is going to tighten its monetary policies, which will also contribute to this crash in Bitcoin's price. Similarly, another warning for Bitcoin is given by Huobi co-founder Du Jun, who is saying that he does not believe there will be another Bitcoin bull market until the end of 2024 or early 2025. He said that judging by past market cycles, there may not be another bull run for around 3 years, and he believes that we are now at the early stage of a bear market. Jun believes that Bitcoin market cycles are all closely tied to halving events, and prices have surged into a new bull run in the year that follows the Bitcoin halving in previous cycles. So this means that the next halving is currently scheduled for May 4, 2024. So, if history rhymes, late 2024 could be takeoff time again for Bitcoin. And while we are seeing all these warnings for Bitcoin, there are some positive things as well. So Mexico's third richest billionaire, Ricardo Salinas Pliego, has just advised investors to buy Bitcoin, and he told them to keep buying while the price is still low and hold it without thinking of selling. And he said that if investors follow his advice, then they will thank him later. So this means that he is expecting some massive moves from Bitcoin in the near future. And the most important thing is that as he is one of the most influential personalities in financial markets, I think that some investors may act upon his advice. Meanwhile, analyst Peter Brandt is saying that holders need to show some endurance since Bitcoin is going to take some time to achieve a new all-time high. So what he is saying is that Bitcoin has historically taken some time to reach a new all-time high. And we can see here that in 2013, it took 21 months, in 2016, it took 40 months, and in 2021, it took 36 months to achieve a new all-time high. So this clearly means that Bitcoin is going to take more time before it reaches a new all-time high from here. So holders have to exercise some patience here. And now, we are seeing that the crypto analytics firm Sentiment is saying that one indicator could signal the beginning of a positive breakout for Bitcoin from here. While Bitcoin shows weakness in tandem with the correcting stock market, Sentiment says that if Bitcoin manages to decorrelate from equities, it would be a major sign of a new rally. Moreover, Sentiment believes that since gold has been rising during this time, if Bitcoin manages to correlate with it, it can be a massive signal of the beginning of a positive breakout for Bitcoin from here. And now, if we come to Ethereum, we are now seeing that it has faced rejection from the 2.8K resistance level, and this is why we are now seeing that it has been going down from this level. Moreover, the price of Ethereum has fallen below the moving averages, and this means that ETH can go even lower from here. And as per crypto analyst Capo, Ethereum may drop all the way to the 1.4K price level from here because it is not going to clear the resistance levels around the 2.8 and 3K levels. Moreover, he has also predicted that Cardano is also going to fall from here. And he has stated that Cardano is going to find support 50 cents now because bears have breached support at $1. And now if we return to Dogecoin, its price correlation with Bitcoin is pretty high. And we have just seen that some analysts are predicting a crash for it, while others are saying that Bitcoin is going to move up from here. So this means that the future outlook is somewhat similar for Dogecoin, and it is currently at a make or break position. In any case, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think Dogecoin is going to move up or crash from here? Let me know in the comments section below.